Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 8 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. From this menu you can manage all of the display settings. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode, change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle, enable or disable adaptive contrast, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, and dark mode for third-party apps. Also, you can enable or disable auto switch between sunset to sunrise or custom. Next, you can change display brightness level or enable or disable auto brightness. Then, you can change screen color mode between vivid, natural, and change screen color temperature between cool and warm. Then we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, and change screen color temperature between cool and warm. Also, you can select display effects between color and black and white. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable adaptive sleep, and manage screen display, front camera display by app, for example to auto adapt, show front camera or hide front camera, or full screen display by app, but unfortunately I don't have any apps that are using this function. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.